Hi guys, my name's Paul James and I'm the Global Head of Makeup for Kryolan. Today we are really excited to be introducing to you the Glow palette from our brand new Sculpt and Glow range. In today's tutorial we're going to be teaching you how to select the right shade for you and application techniques. When selecting the correct bronzer for your complexion, keep in mind these key elements. Bronzers should be warm and add a healthy radiance. So pick a shade that adds gentle warmth and dimension. The first swatch is warm tan, the second warm medium, the third warm light, and the fourth swatch is warm deep. I've selected the colour warm medium because when we compare it to the other colours, I feel like it adds a warmth and radiance to Maria's overall complexion. Warm medium can also be seen in Maria's natural complexion. There's elements of that colour in the warmer parts of her skin. So therefore, warm medium is a complementary tone from Maria's complexion. It doesn't add any greying effect, a muddy effect, or isn't too orange and therefore looks unnatural on her skin. As I blend it in here to her cheekbone, you can see that it actually marries into her complexion very well, looking like a natural glow from within rather than something too ashy or too orange. I want to add here a nice beautiful natural radiance to the skin, but you can layer these products to be a lot more intense if you prefer a stronger glow. I like to use two brushes when applying my bronzer. This will give me an application brush and then a clean blending brush. It's really important to always have a brush that doesn't transfer product onto the skin, that you can just help manipulate and blend. I'm adding a little touch of warm radiance to the outsides of the temple. This will help tie in the colour from the cheeks into the forehead, giving the complexion a more unified impression. You can also add subtle warmth to the tips of the nose and either side of the chin. In this artist collection of 4 colours, the Glow palette is beautiful and gives you a much more versatile colour selection for all of your clients. Now we want to see in action Sculpt and Glow together. From the Sculpt palette, we've selected the colour Cool Light for Maria's contour. Underneath that beautiful bronzing from the Glow palette, we're now working underneath the cheekbone to create a soft shadow, giving us a more contoured effect. We're going to add a little bit of shading each side of the nose and make sure we blend that round into the socket line of the eye for a soft definition. And you can see how beautifully these creams marry together, creating a beautifully sculpted complexion. Thanks for watching. We really hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial on our brand new Glow palette. Please head over to our website and check out the incredible range. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.